what's up everyone? It's Liam, also known as M3 Woke on Instagram. I'm here with Liam again. We're doing another video. We got the two beasts here today and it's gonna be a driving day. We're meeting up with a bunch of homies from Instagram, a bunch of local car guys. They got a bunch of insane builds. I hope to get it all on film for you. We're gonna drive this awesome road local here called Lime Creek.
From 6 feet apart.
Yes. We're all gonna social distance on Lime Creek at dangerous speeds, but we're still social distancing, so it's okay. It's gonna be a great day. We're excited. We're gonna play it safe. I'm probably not gonna full send this because I don't entirely trust my tires. They're a little messed up and I gotta get some new ones in the future, but it's still gonna be a fun one and I'm gonna give it my best. Hopefully we'll get some good footy of the IS and some other cool cars. A Challenger has appeared. What is up? Sean? Nice to meet you.
Liam 2.0.
What up, bro?
Check out the Supra hat.
Ooh! Not a Supra?
Is that a Supra?
Or a hat, shit.
The matching Toyota Belt 2 swag.
Oh dude, Jesus, you're all carred out, man. Tell us about the S2 while we have the time.
Bitch ass caught a chicken light on me today.
What the
This is the infamous $2,000 S2000. Got this
What?
done a year and 8 days ago. Actually a year and 10 days ago. From an old man who fucking took care of this thing.
I'll plug the video that I filmed of him.
Yeah.
Of the story about him getting this car.
Yeah, for sure. Shit.
So far, I bought some discontinued Vogue GT ends, I believe they are. The two-piece Vogue wheels that got discontinued in like the 90s.
Wow, those are nice. Those are really period
They're
correct, yeah.
fucking dirty right now. The original owner of them plasticated them, and I peeled them off. I have the fucking sticker of authenticity at home. So I'm gonna repaint these. I'm gonna pull the faces off and repaint them. I gotta take that one and get it unbent because I bent it racing a GTR in Dallas.
Oof.
6 months ago. Of course I lost, but mom ain't raised no bitch. I don't back down from no race.
Yeah.
I'm placing the soft top tomorrow, actually, when I get back from Houston. And yeah, that's about it.
And follow you on Instagram.
Yeah, follow me on Instagram at Peasant Supra.
Peasant Supra.
Virgin Supra right now.
Yeah.
V8 swap, boys.
Show us the 328.
2011 stock.
Oh.
28i XI all-wheel drive.
Fresh off the lot.
Yeah, I've only had it for like 2 months now. Haven't really gone on too many drives with it. I didn't want to drill any holes, so I definitely have to get that.
Dude, I would do the same thing, yeah.
Bracket.
Sick mod.
But I also have a 2003 E36 sedan.
Yeah.
It's slammed. It's on Swift 320 springs. Yeah, BMWs.
Hell yeah. What's your Instagram?
Next Day Swag.
Follow him. Nate State Swag.
And I shoot photos, videos, so hit me up if you want to get out.
And if you need to wrap your car, also hit him up.
I also do ceramic coatings as well, so let me know.
Actually, I might need you on that one.
All right, for sure.
I think this thing needs some protection.
Dude,
for sure.
I will do a paint correction on that and detail that thing. Woo, what's that?
So we're gonna head out now, jump on Lime, get a run or two in before the rest of the crowd jumps on. Probably gonna take it easy, and when we get everyone else, take it a little easier so it's safe. But let's hit this stuff, man. I'm so excited.
Yeah, out of all the BMW builds I've seen in Austin, his is my favorite, and our buddy Lucas, his 6 Series, like something like that.
This thing is so nice.
Yeah, your roommate, yeah.
So this is Connor. Do you want to tell the channel about this thing? Because it is minty, dude.
It started as a 89 325i, and then, you know, that motor died, put a new one in, that motor died, and at that point I started saving up parts for the V8 swap.
Yeah.
M60 V40 from a 95 540.
Oh, that's an awesome interior.
And
It looks good. Whoa. What? What?
did all the work myself.
No
with,
way.
My roommate welded the manifold.
How long did that take?
It's been from like start of the build to me driving it. It was like 3.5 years. But like, I could have done it faster. I just didn't have any money.
Yeah.
But yeah, everything, the entire exhaust, me and my couple buddies welded up, and at the time I was in an apartment. We were just welding in my parking garage. So that was pretty wacky.
This is sick. What kind of coils are these?
They're ground control.
Ground control?
Yeah.
Nice. What about the wheels?
The wheels
They
are...
look off a new BMW.
They're Apex wheels, Apex race parts.
Oh, okay. Are they the R8s?
Yeah.
Dude, I was looking to get the R8s. I couldn't tell if that was them or not.
Yeah, I got these a little bit ago. This is like the second time I've actually run the car on this setup. It's 215/40s or 45s.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Federal RSRs.
Nice. Yeah, those are good tires, man.
Yeah.
Ooh, what about the Miata, man? Give me the rundown. My first car was a Miata, so I have love for it as well.
This is my 5th one.
Okay.
So I got it for 160 bucks.
Right.
And
That's cheap.
Pretty much from the firewall forward, it was blown. Blown engine, blown suspension, so everything's replaced. I turboed it. I'm only $4 grand into it. The only thing that came with the car, the interior. It's the only thing that came with the car. I think the interior is the only thing that came.
Dude, I've never seen these seats like this before.
Yeah,
That's a really cool setup.
I guess a girl owned it before, and then she had it reupholstered or something.
Okay.
So I don't know of any other Miata that has that color tint.
Right. Yeah, I had a 95 M edition. Well, I still have it. We're selling it right now, but dude, this thing is so awesome.
Yeah, it's a 97. I just wrapped it probably like a month ago.
Okay. Yeah, I like the sparkles. They're the flake. I mean,
It's pretty dirty.
it looks beautiful. That is so sick. What's your Instagram?
Casa_Miata with 3 T's.
Follow it. Casa_Miata. You do?
Yeah.
What's your YouTube?
House Miata.
House Miata.
I haven't posted in a while. I tried to post a Lime Creek video, but got taken down. Copyright. I didn't realize I had music. I didn't think I had music.
Dude.
Got taken down.
Yeah. I get that.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. What's your Instagram? Nomo for sure. Follow it. Skirt. Let's run it. Get the GoPro on. I'll show you guys this run. This is gonna be nuts. All right, so we're now getting on Lime. Looks like the boys are warming up their tires. I think they're gonna take this pretty fast. Get in a second gear. Oh my gosh. Everyone's going nuts. Now, like I said, guys, I don't know this road entirely well, so I don't want to fully commit on these turns, but I'll tell you what, they feel gnarly. I don't know if the GoPro shows it, but these things are tight, they are hard, and they will throw you off whenever they want to. You got to be real cautious. Take it slow. Oh yeah. See, this is why I'm glad I put someone more experienced in front of me so I could follow their lines and kind of watch how they drive on this. Because if it was just me alone, things would get a little dicey. Downshift, like he's braking. Oh, that's a deep corner. Ooh, a nice little sweeper. Downshift. Oh my gosh, this corner. It's like a whole pocket. Really trying hard to focus while I talk. I want to give you guys something to listen to, but oh my gosh, this road is insane. Oh yeah, there we go. There it is. Just following the S2's lines. Second gear. All right, take this corner. Good, good, good. A little bit of gas. Weight shift. Excellent. Braking. hazards on. Oh, there's some smoke.
I think it just came loose.
Yo, what happened?
I think it just came loose, but that's not weird.
That's not fun. That smells great. Jesus. I saw you put on the hazards. I was like, oh boy, what happened? The oil feed?
Yeah. I knew it.
Oh.
I knew it. Nothing bad, turbo problem. Good.
Yeah, right? He said it's an oil feed line. Quick fix.
Yeah. No, the battery problem, like that, it's fine. But the like every time I would shift in the third, come around the corner, my radio would cut off. And it would,
Oh.
my battery's like jerking around.
Right.
So.
Yeah, that's electrical shit is not.
Yeah,
it's not what you want to be dealing with.
Like, I hope that's not my battery.
Is this your excuse as to why I was on your bumper the whole time?
Actually, yes. I couldn't smell if my tire was rubbing anymore because all I smell is his fucking oil burning in my face. So I'm like, let me chill. But now that we've stopped, I'm pretty confident.
I was coming up on Liam and I'm like, wait, why the fuck is he braking so damn hard? And then it's like,
Yeah.
Those pockets are so hard on you. You're just like, woof, every time you come out. Yeah, right? Yeah. All right, so my SD card cut out of space. Hopefully I got the footy, but yes, Miata has an oil feed line issue and a battery issue. It is not looking too good, but looks like we got it fixed up, ready to drive. We're gonna finish the Lime Creek run and then we're gonna go from there, basically. Hopefully we'll be safe, everything will be fine, no more broken cars, but you know, with this kind of situation, only time will tell. Let's see what's up. Woo! I was getting real hot standing out there. Sweet, now you guys can see the awesome V8 swapped E30. He's having a bit of a bushing issue, but I think he's still gonna send it. Hopefully he'll be good. And this is like some initial D toge battling with the S2 in front of me. I love it. Downshift. Take this corner. Oh man. That was a little scary. Ah, I see. Sean's taking a little harder this time. He's a really good driver. I gotta be careful. It's throwing me off my game. Brake tap here. Ride the corner. Brake. Gas. And that's the end. Hell yeah. That was live, man. I love that. Catch that drift. Nice. Yeah.
Hey,
Look who decided to show up. What is he driving, dude?
6 Miata with an exhaust,
Oh
one of
my
a kind Cobb exhaust.
No
And I
way.
got and sold them, yeah.
You can hear him screaming on the phone. Dude, that's me.
Listen to him. Hello? Yeah, we've been recording.
Dude, chill out.
Yeah.
You'll be on a YouTube video, it's all good.
Oh God,
Sean! Sean! Kickflip. Oh! Get the line, get the line! Oh!
Ah, damn it.
No. Close but no cigar, bro.
Fuck trade clothes. Who needs those?
Alright, we're running the road again. This time the S2's behind me. We got a Civic Si in front. Hopefully he's a pretty good driver. I don't know him, but let's rock this. is exactly what I mean. You gotta be careful on this road. Scary turn. Like we're caught up with the pack. Hell yeah. Woo, that was scary. Past the biker. Special treat for you guys. Track spec BMW E36. Let's check this thing out. Woo! Dude, this thing is insane. Completely tracked out. Angel?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
You too, man.
This is amazing, dude.
How do you feel, Liam? You're out one point coming in. Like
I feel castrated. No. This is a complete track setup. Look at the shifter, man. What are you doing? Oh.
That pump didn't work.
Oh my god!
Everything about this car is so cool.
It's great. I love it. Yeah.
I never see other E36s, man. It's so nice to see another one.
Yeah, especially here in Austin. There's really not a lot of them.
What's your Instagram?
M3 Angelina.
Follow him, M3 Angelina. All right, see you, bro. Yo, nice meeting you. Peace. All right. Yeah, for sure. Sounds good, bro. Thank you so much. So I had to leave a bit early. All the boys are still out there doing their runs. Today was so much fun. Special thanks to Sean at Peasant Supra for helping set all this up. I had a blast. Loved meeting a bunch of new people, making some new friends, and just rocking the heck out of my car. If you guys liked what you saw today, please like, subscribe, comment down below. Tell me what your favorite car was. I really like that E30 V8 swap. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Let me know what you want to see next. Follow me on Instagram at M3Woke and check out all those other boys I mentioned as well. They're awesome dudes. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys next time. Peace out.